So I discovered Michelle one day on TikTok, right? And from the very first time I found her, doing a live video, of course, I had already made up in my mind that I was gonna get started with whatever this is that she is doing. But I stalked Michelle for about 2 months. Silly me, I know. But at that time, I knew there was just so much on my plate at the moment, and I needed to kind of free some stuff off my plate for me to be able to focus. So lo and behold, the opportunity presented itself for me while I was traveling, still busy. I said, you know what? Let me go ahead and lock in my spot, right? Literally, before I even got my website back, I had persons waiting on me ready to get started, right? So in my first week, I'll say it's less than a week, maybe in about 6 days apart, I was able to generate $1,200 using this blueprint. All right, fast forward, because times have changed so much. Less than 2 weeks in the company, picking up my momentum, and about my third week, I literally generated almost $3,000 in one day. Now listen. and I'm blown away by this. I'm having fun. It's not overpowering. I get to do this when I want to put in the effort to go the extra mile, and it's absolutely amazing. The community, love being a part of the community. So many amazing people, the great teaching, the support. If you are on the fence, borrow my belief. All right, borrow my belief, and you say yes to this amazing opportunity. All right.